इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 12th इंग्लिश चैप्टर नंबर 4 ले के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को कंप्लीट डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज़ द मोस्ट फैसिनेटिंग थिंग इन ले। इसका आंसर है द मोस्ट फैसिनेटिंग थिंग इन ले इज इट्स एटमॉस्फेयर ऑफ रिलैक्सेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, इन वट स्टेट इज़ द पैलेस ऑफ ले नाउ। इसका आंसर है द पैलेस इज नाउ डिजोलेट, बेयर एंड ब्रोकन एट मैनी प्लेसेस, दिस इज एम्प्टी एंड क्रम्बलिंग, we find fat tame mice that comes out of the dark corner to be fed. Next, question number 3. From a distance, it looks a tent. What does it refers to? Why did it look like a tent? इसका आंसर है it refers to the suspension bridge. It looks like a tent because it is covered with prayer flags of every color. Next, question number 4. Where do the queen and her family live now? इसका आंसर है the queen and her family live in the smaller palace at Stock. Next, question number 5. Why had the bridge been covered with prayer flags? How does the writer react to this sight? इसका आंसर है the bridge had been covered with prayer flags to please the river, otherwise the river would be angry. The writer finds the bridge looking like a circus tent with all those prayer flags. Next, question number 6. Why does the writer decide not to enter the Rani's palace? इसका आंसर है the writer feels that the mystic charms of the mountain can best be enjoyed in the light of the day. He did not want to miss this opportunity by entering the dark interiors of the palace. Next, question number 7. The writer talks about something that moves him the most. What is it? Why is he moved by it? इसका आंसर है he is moved by the signs of human companionship here. This moves him the most. He is moved because it is different from Antarctica and the Sahara. Next, question number 8. During this trek in the high regions of the mountain, the writer comes across a number of objects and signs that express the religious spirit of the people of Leh. What are these? इसका आंसर है everywhere during this trek in the mountain, he finds that there are mantra stones with the letter Om Mani Padme Hum written on them. There are latos or shrines to the spirit of the rock and air with dezohon and bones in large whitening piles on them. Shrines to the gods of this landscape that are older than the Buddhist gods of tempest and avalanches, gods of stream that carry wealth to the belly. Next, question number 9. The mountains of Leh have shrines of God that are older than the Buddhist god who are worshipped in these shrines. Can you think of any reasons for this? इसका आंसर है they are shrines to the spirit of the rock and the air with dezohons and bones in large whitening piles on them. There are shrines to the gods of this landscape, gods of tempest and avalanche, god of stream that carry wealth to the valley. They are some of the Hindu god. They were worshipped earlier. They are worshipped even now. Next, question number 10. Why does the writer feel that Leh is different from Antarctica and the Sahara? इसका आंसर है Leh does not have the inhuman solitariness of Antarctica or the Sahara. Everywhere in Leh there are marks of human love and prayer. Next and last question है question number 11. What is the paradox? Give an example. इसका आंसर है it is a situation or statement which contain two opposite fact. It is a paradox that drinking a lot of water makes you feel thirsty. It is a paradox that drinking a cup of hot tea makes you cool.